So linear function f of x is equal to x is graphed on a coordinate plane. The graph of a new line is formed by changing the slope of the original line to 2/3 and the y-intercept to 4. Which statement about the relationship between these two graphs is true? Alright, so what we're going to end up doing is they're saying that we're going to have two equations, two graphs. The first one they said was y is equal to x. And it says a new graph is formed. They're going to change the slope to 2/3. So instead of having a slope of 1, now the slope is going to be 2/3. The number in front of the x is your slope. And the y-intercept is going to become a 4. So here there's no y-intercept, so y-intercept is 0. Now it's going to be a positive 4. So I have my two equations, so what I'll do is I'll graph them, then I'll see what the differences are. So let's go into our graph. We want the regular graph. So the first equation is y is equal to x. So we enter it. So there's the first line, our first graph. Now we're going to click on tab so we can type in the next one. The next one is going to be 2/3 x, 2/3 x, and then plus 4. Okay, so we press enter, and there's our second line. So looking at it, it looks like the slope is less steep because this one is a little bit flatter than this one. And then my y-intercept, where it crosses the y-axis, it went 4 up. So what we'll do is we'll read the choices and see which one makes the most sense. So looking at the choices, I think B would be the correct answer. The graph of the new line is less steep. That's what we had said. It was flatter. And the y-intercept has been translated up. So we had said it had gone 4 up. Letter B would be the correct answer.